Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you seeing card declined on Vinted? Don't panic, this is usually a quick fix because it's often related to your bank or card details or maybe settings. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix card declined on Vinted. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, before even going through these settings within the Vinted app or website, check your card details. Make sure the card number is correct and also double check the expiry date and CVV. So for me, I'm just gonna go to Vinted.com, look for the website, then go through my profile, settings, then go through the shipping details or payments details actually. Now it's time to make sure everything is looking fine, all of the informations are fully correct, then check the available funds. Confirm you have enough balance, then include shipping and buyer protection fees. You can also enable online payments since some banks block online or even international transaction. Make sure to enable them in your banking app. You can also basically contact your banking app to see if everything is looking good. So after this, you can try another payment method by adding a different card, then remove and re-add your current card inside the Vinted app itself. As for like approach app, if your bank uses 3D secure verification, make sure you complete the authentication pop-up before closing the app, and that's the whole idea here. So just make sure every detail about you is basically good, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.